Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Craft CMS templates and fields, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Craft CMS templates and fields, log into your Craft CMS control panel. Navigate to the settings section located in the sidebar menu. Click on sections to view the list of your entries. Select the section containing the templates or fields you wish to backup. Once inside the section, take note of the custom fields used in your entries. Next, go to the Fields tab in the Settings menu. Here, you will see all the fields you've created. Select each field to review its settings. Make sure to document each field's configuration and settings carefully. Now, return to the Templates section in the Control panel. Locate the templates you want to back up. Open each template to review its structure and code. Copy the code of each template into a text editor for safekeeping. Once you have copied the code, ensure you also save any assets related to the templates. Now, check the globals in the settings to back up any global variables. Take screenshots or export content as needed. Next, make a note of any plugins that might affect your templates or fields. If applicable, document the settings and configurations of each plugin. For a comprehensive backup, consider exporting your entire database. Use phpMyAdmin or a similar tool to export the database. Select the database associated with your Craft CMS site. Choose the export option and save it to your local machine. After completing the database export, ensure your templates and fields are securely saved. Consider compressing these files into a zip folder for easier storage. Finally, store the backup in multiple locations for added security. Regularly update your backups to ensure you have the most current versions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.